Ho, 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 folks. It's Christmas bundle time. This is a golden opportunity that we give you at the end of each year to get all of our products that were released during 2025 for one super knockdown price of just $5. It really is the ultimate Christmas bargain, folks, because you're getting 23 different products for the price of less than one. How does that sound? Let's just have a quick run through. You can see them all underneath this video, but give you a quick synopsis of what's involved. $1 Black Friday bundle. These are the products you're getting. That includes a load of free traffic. $1 done for you system. That's a passive earnings opportunity. $1 unlimited traffic. That's traffic to any URL of your choice for a whole year. $1 cash system. That is another passive earnings opportunity. Crazy traffic bundle does what it says on the tin. $1 bonus bundle gives you some products that you can use yourself for free and that you can give away. Top 10 traffic is another traffic product. Secret cash link is another passive earnings product. Traffic maniac is yet another traffic product. Your magic formula gives you some products that you can use to give away free and make money from. So does the money link. Solos and traffic is another traffic product. Big monster traffic 25. Reach my tribe 25. That one gives you access to some of my own personal mailing lists and enables your URL to be mailed out to them every day, Monday to Friday. Promote any link 25. Super Big 10 traffic, another traffic bundle. Place your link 25, which is always our annual best seller. AI Master, which shows you how to master AI, obviously, as the title suggests, and also includes a qualification that you can actually get by completing some steps in that course. Mail Your Offer 25, again gives you access to some of my mailing lists. Traffic Time 25, DeepSeek dollars, that enables you to exploit the AI sensation that caused all the headlines at the start of this year, which is DeepSeek. New Year Success Kit, which is very apt as we go into a new year. This was actually a kit designed for this year, but it'll work in any year, so it'll make sure that your new year in 2026 gets off to a good fast start. And Elite Money Pages, we provide you with some Google Docs that you can just give away free to earn money from. Absolutely tons in there, folks. And as I said, you can get this huge bundle of products full of all sorts of traffic, mailing, AI, passive income opportunities, and loads more, just for a single price of $5 if, and there's a big if you pick it up during the short launch period. So make sure that you do grab this to get the bargain bundle price. And apart from that, and looking forward to seeing you inside, let me end by wishing you a very happy and the best and most merriest of Christmases, and of course a very happy and successful new year when it comes.